Hello and welcome back. You haven't heard too much from me yet because I'm still reorganizing of the lab, and because I pay attention to more and more little details, and then first I think, oh, it looks great like this, and then I think, no, it needs to move a little bit more, or I need some extra drawers. And well, in the end, we all know an electronic lab is never finished. So I'm just looking in my inbox what I got, and this time Kaiweets. I think they are very known for the multimeters and laser measure equipment. They sent me a wire stripper and a wire crimping tool. And the wire crimping tool is just exactly what I need right now. Now I'm working on the lab because I'm also making changes to my main switch. When I go up to my attic and I want to start, I push a big button and all the power is on. And the same way, of course, when I leave, I want to be sure everything is off. I push the button, everything is off. And of course, I need electrical wires for that. I have some wires here, but it's not solid core, it's soft core. And then you can try to screw it under a screw, but then still, because it is not solid, it doesn't look that good. And then the crimping tool comes very in handy. So let's have a closer look. So what we have, well, we have the wire stripper. It looks very similar to the one I had before, only this one, I think it's a little bit more advanced. It's a little bit bigger, I think, and you can lock it, which is very convenient. I like that addition. This is the 112, and I can't really remember this number, but clearly there is an improvement. It's a little bit bigger. It was working good, so very similar, just this, and I like that. So we're gonna use that. Then we have the crimping tool. It is even self-adjustable, and I think you can even set the pressure that is needed to clamp. Also a little stripper there, and it is just for any size of wire almost. I think this is almost like 4 or 6 mil square until very small. So how the little stripper, well, of course I'm going to use this one, and crimping, and it is self-adjusting, and look how that adjusts. You just crimp, and then here we can set the pressure. Well, let's see how it is in its default, and let's see how we're actually going to use it. Well, with solid core it is not really a problem, but look what happens if you have this soft core or multi-core. It just becomes terrible, and probably below the screws here also. And another problem, or just effect that will happen, is maybe the screw is not exactly on the copper, and then, well, you can see here the screw has been in the isolation, but then still there is contact, of course, because it is just metal all around. But it would be a lot better. So, well, let's try all the tools. Let's get the stripper out. Cut first the wire, then we can strip. Well, it's probably 1.5 or 75, I think, but let's just try to strip that. Yeah, indeed it is smaller. Okay, let's see which one is a good fit. I think the black one, if I need to make a guess. Yes, perfect. Let's get this one. Put it and squeeze. Look, and it is a multiple grip. It is stuck, And then of course when we now put it in, it is a lot better. Still, this thing is way too big, but you get the point. And we have a perfect connection. Well, that is the use case. And of course you can also do that with smaller wires. I did that already here with my, I have here an older calibrator, and that also was just with loose wires, and well, I used the smaller size, and yeah, it's much better, much better. And here we have it. Much better. That's how it works. Of course, I couldn't wait for using the tool and immediately wanted to improve here my main power switch for the lab. So when I leave the lab, I just push and everything switches off. And of course, switching on also. But this is also soft core wire. And so it is a great improvement, and also it was very easy to fit the switch now just by using the crimp here. And I also, this meter I usually had loose, I have now also inside the box. So another opportunity to improve a little bit the lab. I'm not sure if you missed it or you've seen the videos, but I also did a review on other Kaiweets stripper tools, an automatic stripper, and another stripper, simple stripper, but also the electric screwdrivers with different torque settings. It was pretty popular. So that was not a very long video, but hopefully short and informative. The crimp is called the KDC01, and the little strip tool is the KWS-112. If you are interested, of course, I have in my description a discount code for the official Kaiweets shop. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. So Kaiweets, mostly known for their multimeters and laser equipment, now extended all tool range also with the pliers. I already had a few. I think we saw the 103, the 102, and now they sent me the 112. And I already like that it has this clip to close it. And we're gonna play a little bit with the self-adjustable crimping tool right here for the electricity wire if you have a non-solid core. And I'm not sure I have this fully automatic. I also tried. It's also pretty good. And recently I found this new section here also for soldering. So maybe I will have the chance to play with that soldering iron also. So let's get back to this crimping tool.